Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. It's your zero killer Atom coins one more time, and I think we've done it, right? SHIB is actually breaking out, and I think that's it. This is the most clear break you can ever see. So V-shaped recovery, a nice good little break happening right over here. The next technical target is actually up to 2331. Now I think that this one retest over here, this right over here, is very weak, right? So if you do end up coming down a little bit to take some stop losses, which in my case is going to happen in the next coming days. So you do this probably on Monday. Monday is the day of stop loss hunting, and then from Tuesday the market actually starts to recover. So I really think next week, Wednesdays, Thursday, and Friday, you're going to have some really good time. Even this week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you did pretty well. Especially now on Saturday as well, you're just continuing on to pick up the business. Now, if you do notice one thing on the weekly, you can actually see that we're making almost a green candle, and next to it is red. So if you notice the body of this green candle, it's almost bigger right now. So the upper is a little bit overlapping here. The lower part of it is actually pretty, is actually equal, but you have the upper place which is better. So it's almost like it's engulfing the red candle. It's actually bigger than the red candle, which means that buyers are now stronger than the sellers. And if buyers are stronger than the seller, then next week, hopefully, we actually continue to go. And I think next week is the week you may actually see SHIB making it back to 2331 one more time. And that's all for this update on SHIB. Just a quick one, and I'm going to do the next one in the office.